a shirt stuck between the ironing board and the piano. Kitch, can't you move that over just a little bit? Come on. For the love. I could, but I don't know. Can't believe I don't even have room to pack my reading glasses. I don't know why I'm bringing a book. You have to ditch that book probably. There's nothing to do up there but read and sit though. Walk around the lake, we could say hi to the ducks. Why don't you just tell me we're vacationing at an old folks home? Why didn't you just tell me that? I don't mind, I just, be honest. Oh boy, the shirt's gonna get so wrinkled on the plane. Hello, heat up. There's one sure way to tell if it's hot, spit on it. It isn't even on. It sprays. It's hissing. It's cold. What the heck? Kitch, you didn't plug it in. I wasn't supposed to, was I? It left a spark, which is great. Yeah, because it was supposed to be heating up this whole time. Oh. Now, how you feel if an iron is hot, by the by. You put it on the ironing board. It's leaking everywhere. Get the rag, please. Which rag do you prefer, Mother? This rag for pressing? This rag that's an old bath towel with wrinkles? Any rag, it's just leaking all over the place here. Does that help? I don't know. Alright, I'll just leave it with me. Now I'm saying Snoopy's shirt is just going to get as wrinkled again. I don't see why, but have it start out nice anyway. That's true. That'll be something. Except it has stains all around it, but what causes a ring around a collar anyway? Mommy, don't put that anywhere inside the food! What was that? You had the iron down on its face. Never do that. Yeah, I know. When I put it up, it leaks more. Yeah, well, there's a burnt down house, I guess. Or maybe not, depending. Yeah, what was that fire I was smelling on the way home? I was sure our house was in flames. Flum. But then I thought to myself, nothing exciting ever happens around here. That's your version of excitement? You kids need to get out more. Which is exactly why we're going on this trip, to feed the ducks. More than that, there's so much to do up there. There's restaurants and people to meet. Yeah, it still sounds like an old folks vacation, but that's okay. I'll have time to catch up on, I can, practice makeup in the mirror. Please tell me you're going to do something more constructive with your time. I could. Not. I could. Well, I hammered in more wrinkles than I thought I could. Wonderful. Well, it is pleated, Yeah, but, there's no requirement of wrinkles. It's not easy ironing. I tried it once. Someone did it in front of me that was not very good at it. And I just laughed and said, gee, I'm glad I've never picked up a blazing hot iron, especially when Mom told me never to try it without her. Wow, there's an airtight alibi. I thought so. Do my best. I don't know why I'm doing this. Mommy, put the ironing face on the body of it! You've got to stop that. Good. Nah, I can't. I can't stop myself. I've tried. Many have tried to stop me, as a matter of fact, too, and it hasn't worked. Can I do this side? I don't know, Mom. It kind of all looks the same. I hate to say it, but... And yet you're singing it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't remember dodging the buttons. Back panel of any shirt, how does it get ironed? Sorry, that's best I can do. Oh, the ironing board's face down on the ironing thing. That looks really, really bad. But I haven't got any more time to fuss with it. There's some thread here. Oh, it's right off. Okay. Alright, you can turn off our jazz now. I guess. Why do I keep a folder? And it's a magic secret folder here. It's very magical. Why do I keep a folder of David Bowie pictures? Yeah, that's about it. Like, why do I? Because there's no point to it at all. It's just a folder of pictures. And I collect them like marbles, and there's no reason to have them. There's no occasion where, you know, like a robber is coming, give me all your David Bowie pictures. Quick, quick. You know, like there's no, just leave the hard drive. There's no reason that I should be slowing down our computer with 80,000. I don't save pictures of anything else. And I don't need pictures of anything. And like when I make wallpapers, hang on, this is gonna take a while. When I make, you know, wallpapers and stuff, I look up a wallpaper and then I put it up and then it's gone. I delete it, like, cause it's just a flower or jelly beans or a picture of space. Like, there's no earthly reason for me to have an entire folder full of David Bowie pictures. I have 90, 100, maybe 190. I don't even know. But there are so many pictures in there that it's obscene. And I think to myself, why do I even have these? Why is it important that I save them? Maybe even there's some sort of an urge to like download pictures or to keep them or whatever. At first, maybe for a day or a week. Maybe I do use it for a wallpaper. But then after that, I don't see any reason why I should keep them. I mean, they aren't doing anybody any good. I don't even really look at them much. Now that I think about it, I don't even look at them that much. Heck, I don't think I look at them at all. But I just have to have them. I think it's a disease. That's probably what it is. It's a photo addiction. But it's just of David Bowie. See, that's the other thing I don't understand. And he doesn't even always have exciting outfits, so it's not for that. He always looks different, so, you know, it couldn't possibly be for, you know, some facial features or artistic things. You know, now that I think of it, I should probably just delete that folder. On the other hand, stop with the lecture. I think we're done now. To roll off your brother's pants. Okay. But it's a problem I have. Just putting that out there. Yeah, you have a few other problems, too, that came to light. Mom, do you have to iron that? No, we aren't ironing this. Yeah, but it's wrinkled. Yeah, well, it would be more wrinkled if I ironed it. Why is there cat hair on your brother's pants? I don't know. Maybe it's that little girl at school. Susie. No one is called Susie anymore. How can that be? I'm sure a lot of parents name their kids Susie. No, they don't. Susan, maybe. But I guess the nickname Susie is kind of out. Like Susie Q. Is this going to be another long story like the picture thing? Doesn't have to be. But when you get, you know, me going, and you start hearing my brilliant stuff that I say, you're going to want it to be a lecture. I don't know. That's the kind of logic my math teacher uses. You kids do good in math. What's this all the complaining about math lately? I thought that was English. You know, I'm getting A's in English and math is confusing me, so I just kind of changed it. Just like that. Because that's what I do. To roll off Clifford, or Snoopy's jacket too, huh, Mom? Yes, and I might need to have him put it on. Snoopy! 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 Snoop! Snoopy, are you up there? Snoop? Hey, Mom, just so you know, Snoopy isn't here. What, did he run away from home? And how long are you going to let me keep yelling? I only just heard you. Okay, I didn't just hear you, but, you know, it was kind of funny. No, he went over to his friend's house, remember? No, I didn't. Now how am I going to roll this off? Kitch, come here. Oh, man. Put it on. I don't want to put on Snoopy's coat. It's not going to eat you. You like suits anyway. I like my suit. That's my brother's suit. It's not, it has brother on it. I don't like it. You live. Yes. Oh, I gotta mail that letter. Mom, do you ever notice how you just kind of walk through a room and this way? No, this way. Wait, over here? No, towards me. Well, which towards you? What do you mean, which towards me? There's only one towards me. You know, it's me that's standing in front of you. Over this way. Here. Oh. But that's not towards you, that's towards you. When you're turning, it's a different direction maybe, but, you know, however you get in front of me, just do it. Okay. Anyway, have you ever noticed how you're saying something and then you stop in the middle and you're like, I gotta get that button off the coat. Got to remember to sew that. Maybe I can sew pedal slippers too while I'm doing the coat, get it all done at once. Mom, this is like crazy activity because you were inactive so long with your cold. I am aware. So much stuff got backed up. How is there all this fuzz on all you kids' nice clothes and you don't even wear them?
No idea.
Alright, let me do the other sleeve. Good grief. What? I'm going towards you. No. Not that. Just all this fuzz. I don't get it. What, did he go to a zoo the last time he wore this coat? And like jump in with the bears? And what is this smudge?
It's just a smudge. It comes off.
Why is this smudging like this? Alright, whew, that's finally done. There was a lot of rolling off.
Certainly was.
Certainly.
Here's a tip. Because pants are heavier at the top, I usually hang the legs down a little further than the... What? I know stuff. I'm kind of neat. Okay, not really, but you know.
Alright, vest, belt, tie. Oops, and white shirt. There we go.
Okay, we can't see in the mirror anymore, but it's all the clothes hanging in front of it, but this is what it is.
Alright, so I have to bring the winter coat up here for repairs, and we've got to cut some things out of your suitcase.